Welcome students. Today I wish to discuss another contest problem which is relating to stack concept. The source for this contest problem is CodeChef. The problem code is DESAV. The problem title is The Saviors. I read the problem statement. Due to some calamity, all the roads near Panasthali University got damaged. The villages situated nearby began experiencing a shortage of food. Since nobody else was able to help them immediately, Panasthala University took the initiative to supply them with sufficient food till some external help reached the village. Panasthala has its own flying club which decided to drop food packages to the houses. Here the constraint: all the houses in the village are in a straight line. Our pilot Thirsty was given the responsibility to drop the packages. Consider that all the houses have equal number of members and that one food package can feed two houses. To maintain the decorum in the village while dropping the packages, a rule was made. According to this rule, only the next two houses from the position where the package is dropped can feed on that village. Here there is a constraint. According to this rule, only the next two houses from the position where the package is dropped can feed on that package. Note that the basic motive is to feed all the houses. Given the way the packages are dropped, can you tell if Thirsty was able to distribute food for every house or not? You have to say in terms of yes or no. Here the input format is the first line of each input contains t number of test cases. For each test case, you will be given a string of size n. In the string, star represents a package and 0 represents a house. Output format: the every test case contains print if all the dropped packages will be able to feed all the houses, otherwise it will print no. The constraints are number of test cases in the range between 1 and 20. The size of a character array will be in the range 1 to 10 to the power 5. Here there is a sample input. Here number of test cases 2 and we have given a string 0 star 0 star 0 0. Here there is a problem. It should say no. The first case, test case, the package dropped is not received by the first house. The package star is not received by the first house. This is the problem here. The second case, every two houses are a package. Here I have a star which is shared by two houses. Here I have star which is shared by two houses. So for second input, the output will be yes. Okay. This problem can be solved by using stack. I tell the logic. First read all characters in a string and push into the stack. Maintain counter equal to 0 and flag equal to 0. Now stack contains all the elements which is read by the user. Now while stack not empty, we need to pop the element at the top of the stack. If top of the stack is 0 and you have to check whether stack is not empty. Stack is not empty, just increment the counter by 1. And also check whether you have top element, next top element is star or previous one. If any one of these star, just increment the counter by 1. Otherwise, if stack is empty, just set the flag equal to 0, then come out of the loop. Okay. In this way, the condition checks. When stack gets empty, it will come out of the loop and check flag equal to count. If flag equal to count, it will just print equal to no. Otherwise, it will print yes. Okay. In this way, we can solve the problem. This is the implementation of this problem by using stack. Here you have to create a character stack, maximum size, and set top equal to -1, and push or insert the element to the stack by using push operation. Pop the element from the stack by using pop operation. Here pop operation returns a character which is deleted. Okay, I made a slight variation in the pop operation. Previously it was void, now it is char. Just read input from the user, number of test cases by using scanf statement, and how to get few number of test cases by using while loop. At every test case, just set top equal to -1. Read the character from the user, set of characters from the user by using scanf statement, and push all the element into the stack. This is the first logic. Now, while stack gets empty, just this logic, when flag equal to count, you have to set as yes. I told us no. Here you have to set yes. Here you have to set no. It's a typo error. While stack gets empty, you have to check if top element is 0. Proceed with that. If stack is not empty, just pop the element or previously popped element. If after removing the 0, if top of the element is star or previous element star, means just increment the flag. Okay. If top element is not 0, just set flag equal to. It means that not continuous, two continuous zeros will not be available. It means that continuous two zeros is not available in this stack. So it will just set the flag equal to 0 and come out of the loop. After completing the iteration, just check flag equal to count. If flag equal to count, just print yes. Otherwise, print no. So this is the logic. It's very simple to implement. I will show the demo how I implemented the operations. Here I have created a character stack. Initially I have set top value as -1. Here I have implemented a push operation. Here I implemented a pop operation which returns a character. I made slight variation. Here I have used a variable, temporary variable, to keep track of the deleted element. After storing the data, just decrementing the counter by 1. Then you have to get a set of test cases from the user. Set for every test case, set top equal to -1, and read the set of characters from the user as a string and push the element to the stack. Until stack gets empty, you have to delete the check top element is 0 and delete it. If stack is not empty, increment the counter by 1, and you have to check top element is star or previous element is star. If it is so, just increment a counter by 1. Else, I mean, stack is not empty. If stack is empty, just flag equal to 0 and give break. When flag equal to count means just print yes, otherwise print wrong. If flag equal to count means for every 2 hours we have a star. Okay. If it's so, the flag will be equal to count. Otherwise, it will not be equal. Okay. So this is a application of stack. You can solve this problem through CodeShop portal in practice section. Thank you.